So, while the 22 News Storm team is not in the business of naming winter storms, one national cable network is going to do that this season. 22 News Storm team meteorologist Adam Stremko is here to tell us about that cable network that is going to be naming storms this winter.
The National Weather Service has been naming tropical storms and hurricanes for years, but now they don't have an official list of names for winter storms. The Weather Channel, however, announced that it plans to name storms this winter, even though the National Weather Service does not. They say the naming of winter snowstorms will raise awareness. Right now, most big snowstorms are named by the dates or, in some cases, the holidays they occurred on, like the April Fool's blizzard of 1997 and more recently the October snowstorm of last year. Not everyone thinks naming winter storms is such a great idea.
I think it would be very confusing because you don't know what storm that they're relating to, so you kind of have to be able to look at what the Weather Channel said and then what the local TV said, so I think for a lot of people it will be very confusing.
To me, it doesn't make a difference. The storm is a storm.
Now, there are already some TV stations that name winter storms, and that could make it even more confusing for viewers. Live in Chicopee, Adam Stremko, 22 News.